Hi guys, it's Rich being easy again. There was a question the other day on the forum about this particular hole in the carbs, and the question was, what does it do? That's a really good question. Okay, so how did I figure out it was the choke? Well, this little nozzle is a kind of a restrictor. It goes down here into this casting core, which runs across and comes out here where this plug is. And you see there's another casting cord running down that way. I tip the carbs over. There we go. It comes out here. It runs down here, comes out here into this. And this is the choke, or it's actually a fuel enricher circuit, the choke circuit. And there's a little bit more of it in here that I need to show you. So where does it get the air from? Because it mixes air too. And this is the top with the diaphragm pulled out. Oh, that looks terrible, doesn't it? Should have made it of plastic. That hole right there. And there's this one, right? That comes in underneath the diaphragm. That's your air pressure that lifts the diaphragm. And it's communicated right over to the enrichment hole. Okay, so I'll try and hold it steady with the camera. And here I am opening it. You see that part that's moving in and out? Okay, so it's out here, and that allows air to go in and mix with the fuel, and then it goes through the enricher thing and dumps out somewhere down here. Okay, there's a hole. There it is. See that hole right there? And there's that little pintle of the valve right across it that meters the fuel flow. So that's where the fuel air mix for the enricher comes out in the carbs. Okay, you can see where the light is streaming through right here. That's the choke circuit. So I'm going to push the choke closed, and you can see it's closing off. And that shuts off the flow. So open. It's open fully, and then you can close it off. Mine's a little stiff, so that's how the choke system works, the fuel enricher. I did not find it in my 2001 manual. I've seen it's not in a later one either. So if it's explained anywhere at all in the manual, just let me know. See ya.